All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to show you the Pitaka setup here on the S24 Ultra. Now, I have here two of the versions of this case. This case comes in three different variants. This is black gray, sunset, and there's also a ocean version, which is more of a blue, and that is probably the one I would have loved the most. However, this video is sponsored by Pitaka, and I really appreciate them sending these over. And I'm going to try these on for you and show you how they look on your S23 Ultra if you decide to pick one of these up. So let's get it popping first with the black gray. Obviously, these are aramid fiber cases. This is what they're made from. It is MagSafe compatible, and this is their Mag Easy lineup because this is the Mag Easy 4 for the S24 Ultra. So let's pop this open here, and that is how it opens up. And boom, there it is in all its goodness. Now, these cases are ultra thin cases that, I mean, I swear these things are super nice if you can afford to get one. And I say if you can afford to get one, most people buy these. These are 70 bucks each if you decide to grab one of these. So here's the instructions, and here's the instructions. So I've used these cases a lot, so I kind of know how to take them on and off, but I want to show you the instructions there. I know how to take the cases on and off and struggle just getting the insert out. We care about sustainability. All right, so here is the case, and I'll also show you some kind of Mag Easy, MagSafe things here. Now, it may seem kind of flimsy, but this case is actually very strong. This is a very strong case. If you've never used one of these before, you're in for a surprise because this is for people who still need a little bit of drop protection, but don't like the feel of a heavy, bulky case on your device. This is what you want to rock with. You can see here around the camera modules, they're kind of separated there. The only ones are not separated is this two right here. I love companies that separate the camera modules. Shout out to my man Mims. He loves it too. I think a lot of people love it. He stresses that like I do though. I really like it. And so here it is along the bottom here. I remember these cases used to come with a little thing here too a long time ago, and it came all the way up along the edges, but it was so tough to get off. And now they've got this new design where it's just really ultra thin and goes on super easy. So I do have camera modules on my device. So let's see how this actually works. And then I'll show you some kind of Mag Easy or MagSafe products to go on along with this. And it actually works, looks like. Oh, yep, just had to snap it in there. These are probably gonna come off when I take this off, but if you don't change your case a lot, you are in for a surprise. This is nice. So you have access to your S Pen right there. Nice and easy, easy peasy. It's going down. I did not say easy peasy. This is such an ultra thin case. It's incredible why a person wouldn't buy one of these. You know, if you don't like to wear a case, this is what you need to be rocking. You need to wear cases like this. So along this side here, you can see the power button and volume rocker there. Easily accessible, very nice to get to. Because this doesn't cover all the way up, and as you can see the side there is pretty much exposed right there. And this does work with wireless charging. If you were wondering, got to get the wireless charger out. And there we go, a little bit of juice. Let's see here. This wireless charger always tries to troll me on camera. It always, it always does. There we go. Wireless charging working in full effect. And then also the MagSafe or Mag Easy goes on nice and strong. So how do you get this off? Well, they recommend you push on these edges right here. And I think my camera lenses are gonna pop off, but I'm gonna do this real time just because there's somebody out there that has camera lenses on. And if they pop off, you need to see that they're going to pop off when you put these cases on. So,
come on, buddy. You can do it. I almost had it. That's the thing about these cases, man. I used to dread taking these off. And I still do. But this is only because I have camera modules on here. That mine is super tight like this. Super tight. Oh yeah, the camera modules are kind of blocking it. So if you have camera modules on yours, you might want to consider that. So let's try to go from this side. Because you're right, Jay, go from the other side. You're right, I'm about to go from the other side. I think I got it. I think I can. Oh God, my hands are slippery. I put some lotion on before the video. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on. All right, come on. Yeah, it's my camera modules. You can see the camera modules are literally kind of just like still on there. Look at this.
So if you're dealing with a situation where you have camera module covers on there, be in for a fight or leave them on. Don't take this case off very often, or you will regret it. Now here is a nice colorful one here. This is the sunset. Ooh, that's so eclectic and so different. Let's go ahead and get them on again. And just remember, when you're popping this on, if you have camera module protectors, it is going to, for sure, you got to kind of push it down around the camera modules. Once you get it on, you see how I'm kind of snapping it down around? Now it's on there and the camera modules are flush through there. And the camera modules, they won't come off. They won't come off. I was able to get this one on and off. Took a little bit of time, but I was able to get it on and off without having to destroy or pop open the camera modules. But just be mindful of that. I'm glad that it actually works with camera modules because I was concerned about that. I was like, man, I wonder if it's going to work with camera modules, and it actually does. So that's a huge plus. But here's what it looks like with this sunset version on. And these have a texture, folks, a very nice texture. It's hard to describe, but just know that you're going to feel it when you do put this case on. You're gonna know that you have a case on. It's gonna be really nice. Yeah, I like that. So there it is, man. There is sunset and black gray. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Link to purchase is down below, so be sure to grab yours. If you're into a ultra thin case and you just don't like to wear cases, this might be the case for you. They will run you $70, so know that going into it, but you're getting a nice quality aramid fiber case here to protect your device. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.